Hey there, it's also here, the assassin. Today I'm going to talk about AI adoption rates. So forgive me, I've got a few notes I need to read on this. Now, the National AI Centre, run by the Australian government, has an AI adoption tracker. They do interviews of lots of different businesses every quarter. And so here are the latest results. I think you'll find it fascinating. Businesses ranging in size from 200 to 500 employees, 82% of them are adopting AI. 20 to 199 employees, 68%. 5 to 19 employees, 40%. And 0 to 4 is 33%. So by industry, retail trade is 46%, health and education 45%, services 43%, hospitality 42%, distribution 31%, construction 30%, manufacturing 28%, agriculture, forestry and fishing 19%. So the main applications where people are finding AI useful are 20%, 7% are saying data entry and document processing. 27% are using generative AI assistants on their websites. 26% for fraud detection. 21% for marketing automation. And 20% for predictive analytics. So if you're not using AI, I think it's time to do an audit. How many employees do you have that are always or predominantly on a device? That could be anything from your PC or laptop, but tablets, phones. Are they entering data? Are they interacting with your business and your business systems through a device? So I'd like you to review your technology stack and talk to your vendors. What is their roadmap for rolling out AI? And how will this benefit you? Then look at their competitors and what does their rollout look like? You could be missing out with something by backing the wrong horse. And look at within your desktop suite. So you're either going to have Office 365 or you're going to have Google Workspace. But they both have AI options. Copilot with Office and Gemini with Google. How are your staff using these tools in all of the usual suspects? In their email client, in their document or in Word, in spreadsheets, in presentations and what have you. How are they using the AI tools that are already available to them in your everyday work? If you have device-reliant employees, they should be spending half an hour a day using AI, getting familiar with it, finding ways and don't look for the big wins, look for the small ones, look for the repetitive tasks that you can automate. That's where you'll get a lot of productivity improvement. If you've got a lot of document entry stuff, a lot of staff doing that, you can free up their time or reduce the headcount. So take some time, have a good look around, talk to the vendors, talk to your staff, find out what their fears are, allay those fears, get them some training and get them upskilled so that you can take advantage of all this stuff. Because that's the only way you're going to keep up. Thanks.